my Java assignment, which is based on Java programming language. So let's get started. Our question is check the prime number or non-prime number. So let's get to the code. Here is the code. You can check. Let's run the code. So enter a number to check if it is prime or not. So I am keep it as a 20. So 20 is non-prime number, so it's giving the output. Okay, so you can see over it here. Next question, find the summation of even numbers of first 30 numbers. So check, this is the code and let's run it, and I have given here the 30 user input and the answer is 240. Okay, next is check Armstrong number. So Armstrong number, let me find Armstrong number. That is the Armstrong number code. You can see over here. So check again. Okay, hope you check it. Let's run the code. So 153 is a very common Armstrong number. It is an Armstrong number. Okay, next find the factorial of 5. Okay, let's check factorial of 5. Factorial of 5. So that's the code of factorial 5. Let's run it. So factorial of 5 is 120. So you can see over here the console, in the console the output. Okay, next is our check maximum number from an integer array of size 10. So next code is here. You can see the code over here. Let's run it. So largest is 150. Okay, you can see I have already defined 10 size of array over here. So the largest number is 105. So output is 105. Next, swap two number with using third variable. Okay, so question is using third variable. So let me so that is the code over here, and let's run it. So I will put here 20 and next 30. Before swapping 20 30, after swapping 30 20. Hope you guys understand what will be happened here. Next question is swap two numbers without using third variable. So before using third variable, next one without using third variable. So this is the code. You can check. Let's run it. That is 20. Again I am taking 30. That 30 and 20. So you can check it. Okay. The next question is using while loop, write a program which display the midpoint of two numbers. So midpoint of two numbers using while. So I have already implement it as a for loop, and I have implement as a list, and in the list I have added two number, and then I have joined that summation, take a summation and give that output as a sum by 2. Okay, so you can check also that code, and also you can check over that code which is implement in while loop. In this question I have the question is asked to implement the while loop, so that's why the code is here. You can check it. Let's run the code, enter the number. So I will put 10 and second number is 20, then midpoint is 15. Hope you guys see over here the output. Okay, the next question is ternary operator. So ternary operator, what is ternary operator? Means if I tell you that ternary operator is the operator actually works, so it substitute the if else statement, long if else ladder, what you can say, the ternary operator can use to replace the if else statement. Okay, so বড় বড় ইফেলস যে আমাদের যত রকম কন্ডিশন দেয়া থাকুক, অনেক কন্ডিশন হয়তো দেয়া আছে, তার রেসপেক্টিভ আমাকে বের করতে বলছে। তো সেইখানে আমরা টার্নারি অপারেটর ইউজ করলে সেই কোডটা কিন্তু মিনিমাইজ হয়ে যাবে অনেকটা, মানে খুব কমের কোড করার মধ্য দিয়ে আমরা কিন্তু সেখানে কি করতে পারবো, সেখানে কোডটাকে কিন্তু এক্সিকিউট করাতে পারবো। So here is the code, you can see. Let's run the code. That here I am the code where I have what I have done here. I have implementing the mean value. Okay, so in between A and B, I want to print the mean value. So what is the mean value of B? It's 10. So printing B over here. Okay. Next, the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. It is very easy. Let's jump to the code at first. That is increment job. So here what is I have done, the increment operator, what is the post increment and pre increment. Post increment means after the variable I have to assign plus plus, and pre increment means before the variable I have to assign plus plus. Okay, so what is the actual work to do post increment? We use post increment in our statement if we want to use the current value and then we want to increment the value by 1, okay, in the variable, whatever you can say. And the pre-increment is what we use pre-increment in our statement if we want to increment the value of any variable by 1, and then it will use in our statement. Okay, so you can check over here if you can use that much of code, and you can use only this much of code. Okay, or you can use for this only. Okay, so first of all I will say for I'm giving you the pre-increment first. Okay, so let's pre-increment. So I'm omit the comment first and save the code over here and run it. So you can check there is 2 output. Okay, so this is the pre-increment. Let comment that part and let comment the below part, which is the post increment. So save the file, again run. So you can check that it is showing 1. Okay, so that is the pre-increment and post increment, the difference between pre-increment and post increment. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. If you really like this video, please like it, comment it, share between your friends, and please subscribe my channel. I will get you in next video.